Hey guys, excuse my voice. I am going to try and get through this. I want to share inside of my new client reset and renew experience. This is a new client. She has been natural for 7 years. And she came in because she had been doing her own hair, and it just was not making any progress. I think it was growing up to a certain point. So that's typically the type of client that I get. Thus, the reason I created the Reset and Renew experience. So I do a very thorough shampoo, cleansing shampoo, moisturizing shampoo, extensive protein treatment, and a hydrating steam treatment. You also get a reconstructive haircut, which is what you can see me doing here. And before I came up with this service, I used to pair my new client services with a trim. And I realized throughout the years, I've been doing this now 7 years, most clients need a full haircut. Like trims only work on those that have been maintaining them. Most of my new clients have not had a haircut, a professional haircut, or a trim in months, sometimes years, sometimes it's been never. So in those cases, you cannot go in and just do what most would consider a trim. And I have even, as of this year, removed the word in the service trim from my service menu, because anytime I pick up those shears to cut, it's a haircut. It may be a different type of haircut, but it's a haircut. So in this case, as a new client, this is a reconstructive haircut. This is what I call a reconstructive haircut, which is going to basically put her hair in the best condition to start growing out and retaining length. Now, she has to also maintain her trims from this point forward. So we discussed that. She should come back. You should at least get a trim every quarter, at least every 3 months. So I discussed this with all of my new clients. That is about the maximum that I would recommend a trim. Some people need it more frequently. Some might need every 8 to 10 weeks. It depends on your lifestyle. It depends on if you have, color treated hair, or you're doing a lot of heat styling. You would typically need more frequent trims. But in her case, quarterly trims are sufficient. So as you can see here, I am basically going through and styling her hair. She has some nice layers in it, just nice. Kind of had a natural layer, but after the haircut, of course, they're more pronounced. And I really, 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 really love talking to my clients and educating them, because I see the same mistakes. I see the same problems. There's common problems among those clients that are drawn to me and attracted to me, which is why I created this service. I don't just do, silk presses. If I get somebody that's inquiring just about a silk press, I might not be the stylist for you. But those that really, really, really want to get a good head start on optimal growth and like retaining length and fullness, this is for you. I'm going to let you listen in on us from this point.
I mean, look at that. No, it's like, it's your hair. Yeah. No, this did not look like the same person that came in for that consultation. No, this stuff is so nice. Goodness. Sorry. I mean, even just like the body looks insane. That color looks insane. Yeah. Your hair is beautiful. Your hair is beautiful. Thank you so much. Cause like, even when it was relaxed, like
It didn't look like this.
no, I don't even. I can show a quick photo. I don't know.
Your hair looks so good. Her hair looks so good, y'all. I know I get it, but look at that.
Okay.
You ain't looking at the bang.
No, I looked at the bang first. That looks so good.
It looks so good.
I know. Wow. Ah! I love this bob. This is so cute. Cause if not, like, obviously you would have curled it and it probably would have been like right here or something. Like it would have, my hair would have been right here. But then that I would have saw the splits and I'm like, no, take it out.
With the splits? You talking about?
Yeah, like if you wouldn't have cut it and just like.
Oh, we weren't gonna do that. We were not gonna do. We were not.
I guess this is
I thought this part was so hilarious because she actually thought that I would leave the split ends on there and try to curl them. No, we don't do that.
Girl, look at your hair.
Okay, even for me to like just bounce it. It looks so good. Wow.
You love it.
Wow. Yes. Genuinely. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this New York trip is so nice. I mean, from all this flip. Because this is a little bit of definition right here. That looks insane.
Beautiful.
Cool.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Sincerely.